Welcome back, guys. We're getting pretty close to the end of the tutorials here. We've just got drawings 15 and 16, and today we're going to look at drawings 15. Again, it's applying simple processes to what we've already done. This time I'm going to use a process fairly similar to what we did in drawings 4, 5 and 6, where I'm going to draw the side profile. So I'm going to draw the side profile of this and then extrude it across. So rather than drawing the block and cutting out like we've done up here and here, I'm going to draw a side profile and cut across. So here we go. Starting with new, metric, standard IPT, create. Going back up to sketch, drawing XY plane, and choosing my line option. Okay, so this is where I'm going to draw that profile, just like we did in 4, 5 and 6. Select the origin, goes green, remember, click, click, 90 degrees, click, bit of an angle, not sure where that's going to be, so I'm going to make sure it's very, very different. Back to line up with my origin, and then my final line, which is a left click again, back to my origin. So I've got something that looks fairly similar to my drawing, but I don't know what the sizes are yet. Now I'm going to put the information on from my drawing. So starting with my long dimension, from here to here first, and looking at my drawing, it says 50. Enter. Again, now I can't see it. How do I fix that? I go up to my top right hand corner, click on the front option. That'll center it and scale it so I can see it. Great. Okay, I know the height of my block is 20. So I know that from this point to this point is 20. Enter. And I know that element has to be 20, enter. Because it tells me that on my drawing. It also tells me the length for this element here has to be 30, enter. So notice sometimes I choose to go from start to finish with my dimensions, and sometimes I just click on the element, depending what I know. Okay, in this case I know this element here needs to be 10 millimeters. Enter. So I've drawn quite a complex shape quite simply by doing straight lines, adding sizes that I know to it, and now that I've finished my sketch, get it back onto the center, and I can just project or extrude the option, and I know that the width of my extrusion is going to be 30. Enter. Checking the orientation of my drawing to the orientation of what's on my screen, making sure they line up. File, save as, drawing 15, and save. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to almost our last one. So next time we meet, I'll be doing drawing number 16, tutorial 16, which is the last tutorial before you start the test questions, drawings of 17, 18, 19 and 20. So until then, cheers mate.